Hello my friends, welcome back. As you already got to know what is the topic today, so without any further ado, let's get started. So for the first card, we are going to start off by dividing the card vertically and horizontally by making lines using pencil. Now we are going to create three boxes in which we will write Happy Father's Day. First, we are going to write the letters in capital and then we are going to add weight to them. What I mean by weight is we are going to add thickness to the letters. The sketch is done. Now it's time to add in the color. For that, I am going to use a sketch pen. You can use any marker or pen that you like. Now the coloring is done. It's time to fill out the empty space by adding some hearts here and there and as well as some stars and little dots and circles and fill it all. Now I am going to write over it in script style to make it look more attractive. And there you go, we completed our first card. Now let's move on to the second one. For this I am going to do brush calligraphy. Now start off by creating guidelines and start writing. Also I am using color blending, so if you know nothing about it, make sure to check out the videos that I have on color blending. Now the best part about color blending is it really gives a cool effect and makes it look attractive. Now it's time to fill the empty spaces with little dots and circles, and also you can add some hearts as well. And my friends, we are done with the second card as well. Now moving on to the third card. For this one I am going to write that is child's favorite superhero. You can write anything that you like. Start by sketching out the words or phrase that you like, or you can do the same as I am doing. The motive here is to fill out the whole page. Once the sketch is done, start coloring. You can use any color combination you like, or you can use different shades of the same color to fill out the letters. Now again, fill out the empty spaces, and also you can add some details in the letters as I am doing. And my friends, we are done. That is it for this video. I hope you got inspired. You can tag me on Instagram @Calligraphysutra with your own cards. Leave a comment down below if you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye.